चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Thank you for staying with Republic, and we continue to get you the latest pictures from outside JP Nadda's residence, where an important meeting is scheduled to take place. Now remember, the top leadership of BJP that is supposed to be a part of this meeting, and this is ahead of that very crucial meeting where BJP will involve all the chief ministers and deputy chief ministers as they pave the way forward and draw the blueprint for Modi 3.0. These are the latest pictures of Amit Shah reaching JP Nadda's residence. Just a short while ago, we also got you pictures of Rajnath Singh, who had arrived at JP Nadda's residence. Let me cut across to Soumya, who's on the ground, getting us the latest on this meeting. Soumya, top BJP leadership at JP Nadda's residence. What exactly is the agenda of this meet?
Yes, see, right now I'm outside JP Nadda's residence, and the information that we could gather as of now is that it is an important meeting because as per the reports, remember, it is likely that on June 8th, the oath-taking ceremony will take place, wherein Prime Minister Narendra Modi, for the third consecutive term, will take oath as the Prime Minister of India. And it is also said that the new cabinet of Modi government 3.0 will also take oath the same day, which is why this meeting is taking place today, because specifically JP Nadda and Amit Shah have been tasked to chalk out the details and future course of action in the formation of this new government. That is why this meeting is taking place here. As of now, two big faces of BJP have already arrived and have taken part in this meeting, which is Rajnath Singh and Amit Shah, and the meeting is already underway. What we could also gather is UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will also be here at JP Nadda's residence later today, and after that there is an important meeting that will take place today with all the CMs and deputy CMs in the BJP headquarters. So as of now, this meeting is to chalk out the future course of action. So back to you.
From the ground, as we slip into a short commercial break, on the other side, we'll keep telling you what exactly is happening at JP Nadda's residence, where this key meet is underway with the top leadership of BJP. Stay tuned.